morning, everybody. What is up? Welcome back to another vlog. This is like the first official vlog in the house that's like not a moving vlog. So cheers, welcome. It's Wednesday, May 5th today, and I'm considering today my first day of work. So I'm gonna take you guys just kind of like through the day. We have some packages coming, like just, I don't know, a chill vlog that's like not directly a moving vlog, because I feel like I didn't like chat with you guys much over the last few days, which is to be expected. But today's my first real day of work, I'd say, because yesterday I kind of had like a little half day. I just had like a call at 10 and 2 and that was it. And then I got all my training stuff this morning. So I didn't really consider yesterday like my first day just because I sat in on a few meetings, but I didn't get any actual training. But today is officially my first day. So I just got off a call with a girl that is training me, and then this afternoon I have a one-on-one with my manager, which I very much appreciate. We're gonna have weekly one-on-ones for the first few months of my job, and the girl training me is gonna call me back this afternoon. Luckily, I know the team, I know the work already because I've come from heme. If you guys are new here, I used to be an inpatient clerk in malignant hematology, specifically bone marrow transplants, for 3 years. And I've recently just taken a job in data with clinical trials and bone marrow transplant. So basically my job is just inputting a lot of data to send off for like audits and to send off to like the different cancer organizations, without going like too much into detail. So that's exciting, and since I've already worked in malignant hematology, I have a good head on my shoulders in terms of like just definitions, lingo, etc. But obviously doing data is completely different than being a clerk. So that is kind of a little bit about my job. I'll obviously like go a bit more into detail as I get familiar with the job. To-do list on my new planner, which I've been loving. A crazy gloomy day here. It's been literally gloomy since we moved in. I don't think we've had one sunny day yet, which is really, really sad. But that is that. And since my job is, they say, permanently hybrid, so basically what that means is that I'll be working from home full time. But if I want to go into the office a few days a week, I can. But they don't have an office set up for me yet. So that's that. But I just went ahead and ordered a monitor and whatnot, just because I will be working with data. I want to have a few screens open, so I went ahead and did that. And since I am self-employed, I can write it off on my taxes, which is great. So that's coming in the next few days. And today's to-do list, so I need to post a sponsored picture, I need to size out monitors and order them, which I did. I'll show you guys the one I got. Ordered dad's birthday present, budget for payday, call doctor's office, did that. And then this is everything I need to do for my new job. So I have to do a bunch of training and basics and go over some manuals. Wow. Okay guys, remember in the old house the lighting was never good? When I went to go do outfit photos, or outfit like of the days, the lighting is good here. So today's work outfit is a Dynamite seamless tank and some Lulu lines and my oversized Amazon sweater because it's very chilly and gross outside today. So that's my outfit of the day, in case you guys were wondering. I'm about to make a bagel. I just spent the last 30 minutes on the phone with the help desk because my VPN wasn't working. Now it's working, and I just have a bunch of like documents to go through and stuff. And then I have, like I said, I called my manager at 2, a little one-on-one, and really exciting, one of our favorite breweries reached out and asked if they could send us some beer. Amazing. So they just called me to say that delivery is coming in 20 minutes, which is so exciting. So I'll show you guys that. And yeah, I also don't really know why this is on. Covering up our address, but our beer is here from our favorite brewery. They asked if they could send us some. We said yes. Do you want to do the honors?
Whoa.
Yeah. Oh, they sent us a cuppy.
Oh,
look, it literally says congrats on your new home.
Oh, that's amazing. Yo, we're gonna have to go try.
And they're dog friendly.
Oh, yo, we're definitely going. Oh, babe, look, they got 2 cuppies.
Oh my gosh. Look how many they sent us of our favorite.
Oh, yeah. Yo, we're
What
gonna
other ones did they send?
Tangerine IPA. And then we also have
Amber Ale.
Ooh, and then this one was
Nipa?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
This one's pretty.
That's the Pilsner you've had, and then I think the
I don't
rest.
think I've had that. Oh, American Wheat Ale
And oatmeal stout.
Whoa.
Oh, better calm down.
That's so sweet.
That's awesome. We're gonna have so many drinks.
Right? It is 12:38 and I'm gonna throw on some YouTube in the background and start tackling my research ethics certification. That's gonna take a few hours. Look how gloomy it is outside. I literally just want the sun. Like, my office is so dark right now. It's so empty. I'm still planning on putting like a bookcase here with like a little chair, but I'm just waiting to see what chair I want. But I actually really like this paint color. The only thing is I feel like when it's dark out, it makes the room look really dark. But I mean, the sun also comes from this side of the house anyways. But anyways, that's my update. Oh, Matt gave me this little basket. This is so cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. It just showed up in on my desk. Perks of moving. If anyone is wondering, I'm just snuggling with my baby blanket. Don't know why. Just figured first day of work, snuggle with my baby blanket. Professional. But I'm getting ready for my meeting. It's 1:57. Let you guys know how it goes. Other than that, I think I'll probably just continue the vlog tomorrow because it's dark and gloomy and trash outside, and like I just don't really have much going on today. So I'll catch you guys up after my meeting and then probably continue the vlog tomorrow because it is so gross outside that I just want to sit on the couch all day. Home from the condo, and our Joffrey's order came, and I figured I'd show you guys because we got some new stuff. So we got our usual, which is Jamaican Me Crazy. This is our favorite coffee. This new one, which, can we just talk about how cute this packaging is? It's the Mickey Mouse Classic Blend, and obviously I just had to get it because Sorcerer Mickey was on it. But I typically will make cold brew with the Jamaican Me Crazy, but now they sell, like, I mean, these probably aren't the best for the environment. Actually, I feel kind of bad getting these, but they're just single serve coffee, and they advertise it as like cold brew. So you can put one of these in a cup and leave it overnight, and it's like a single serve cold brew. So I might put a few into, actually we're gonna try it out, and we're gonna put a few into like one of our coffee containers and let it brew overnight. But I just got 2 of those. So that's what we got from Joffrey's. I think the coffee pots are in here. I feel like it's always a guessing game because I don't know where anything is still, but okay. Let's make some cold brew. Hey guys, I'll check on you in the morning. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Welcome to day 2 of this vlog. I feel like so scatterbrained. Yesterday, I was just like I don't really know how to explain it, but ever since we moved and I ate those breakfast sandwiches, I've just felt super, super off, and like my stomach has been yucky. And honestly, I think I'm just like really run down from packing and whatnot and starting a new job like all in the same week. And so today's like the first day I actually have like energy and I feel like alive, if that makes sense. So it is 10:50 right now. I just had a little like morning training session for my job, took Sel for a little walk. I'm gonna make myself a coffee, have a little breakfast, and I have to just like do some computer work. My Amazon closet organizer is coming today, so I think we're gonna organize the closet. And yeah, but that's like all that's really going on so far. I just feel very energetic today, thank goodness. So I'm feeling really good about that. And yeah, that's like what's going on. Let's make another coffee. We'll have the Joffrey's that I made yesterday and get the day going. Also, I'm working in the dining room today, just I don't know, just to switch it up a little bit, and just be downstairs. And the sun is so beautiful down here, so I just wanted to like take it all in. But I just made a coffee. I'm just using the cold brew we had yesterday. I'm literally drinking it out of a beer cup. I made a cinnamon raisin bagel with vegan butter. So I am going to just catch up on some emails and stuff. I have a video going live at 11. Oh my god, that's right now. Me. Oh my god, I have a video going live at 11. Oh, it is 11, Carter. So I'm gonna do that actually right now. Cheers! I'm not actually gonna boop the camera with my bagel, but you know. Hey guys, I just got my Amazon package with my closet organizer, so I figured we could do that now. And then like I said, I have a meeting with the girl training me, and then after work maybe we can just organize the rest of my closet, or maybe do that another day. I don't know. But it's just for my leggings, because when we were back at the house I used to have my leggings in a drawer, and I had them organized by like lounging leggings, so like my Aligns, like what I'm wearing now, and then I had like Lulu and then other leggings. I just like to separate them like that, so I thought this would look cute in here, so I figured we could hang that up. Leggings in here, so I don't know, I just figured we could do that. The only thing is I just don't know where I'm gonna put them. Maybe right here, and I'll move my sports bras over, because then I can kind of move this stuff over, because I just don't obviously wear like sweaters and stuff right now. So take it out of the container and kind of like see where we can put it. Really like how it turned out. So I did like all of my lounging Aligns, basically. Like these are all Aligns. These are all of my Lululemons that I wear to work out. So Invigorates, Fast and Frees, and Movements. Miscellaneous leggings, like some airy and random leggings, and then all of my joggers, and then all of my Vitae leggings, which I don't wear as much. So I really love how it turned out. And then I just have all these hangers. I still have like 40 left, so I'm gonna go try and organize my closet probably like a bit later on. But I love how it turned out. Guys, I'm gonna throw on a music playlist and tackle the closet. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything off, and then I'm going to put them on the hangers and then put them back on. I think that's the best way to do it. We got most of it done, and then I ran out of hangers, which I purposely bought 50 because I didn't know if I need them all, but now I need more. So I'm gonna order like 20 more on Amazon. And then I just need to figure out what I'm doing with all my crew necks and stuff. So right now I have it organized by like dresses, not work appropriate shirts, and then work shirts, because I tend to gravitate towards like this section. So this is an easy way to find like, oops, that should be actually over here. All work stuff, which I'm not going back to the office anytime soon, and then just like cardigans, and then some t-shirts on white hangers. And I think I'm just gonna put the rest of the white hanger stuff up over in here for now. Hey guys, okay, we're at the gas station. I got my blood work done. I picked up our package. Oh, I'll show you guys what roommate I got Matt. And then I'll end the vlog off just because I'm gonna go home and relax. But I'm a toddy like mine. This is the only one. They had a lot of them that were out of stock, which kind of sucks because he wanted the black one. This one, I'm not a huge fan of the lid, but I told him he could just use my lid, so I got him this blue one. It's like blue and orange. Like I said, I'm not like the huge fan of the orange, but I told him that he can just use my black lid because I have one. So that's the toddy that Matt got. It's so random. I had to go into the gas station to pay for my gas because my card wasn't working or something, and then I saw these drinks that were buy one get one free, and I couldn't help myself. So I'm really excited about it. My stepmom drinks these all the time in the States, so I'm excited to try them. It's the Roar Organic Electrolyte. I don't know. It kind of just looks like a vitamin water. If you guys know this, I think I told you guys this. I love peach anything. Peach is like my favorite flavor. So I just got one of these, and then when I got to the cash, the guy was like, it's buy one get one free. So I also got this blueberry acai one. So that's that. And then I also couldn't help myself when I got Cheez-Its. I really need to go to the grocery store in the next few days and get snacks. We really went through everything in the condo before we moved, like in terms of food. We got rid of so much. And we went to the grocery store. If you guys saw the grocery haul in the third moving vlog, we just didn't get a lot of like snacks, so we don't really have much in the house for snacks. So I need to go do that this weekend. I might go to like Farm Boy or Whole Foods or something. I also need to just stock up on like my more healthy things. So yeah. Oh, it's made with coconut water. I was wondering why it was like coconutty, but it's not too shabby. So anyways, that's that. Fun fact, Cheez-Its are like my favorite. I was gonna go to the grocery store tonight, but I just don't have the energy. So I'm gonna go home, relax, edit this vlog. I think I'm gonna start a work from home vlog tomorrow, so I'll probably end this vlog off here because I'm just gonna go home and relax. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already. And I will talk to you guys in the next vlog. I feel like May is going to be a month with a lot of vlogs because we're in like lockdown and I'm just like in full on vlogging mode. So there's going to be lots of vlogs in May. Stay tuned. I'm trying to like break up all the moving segments into different vlogs instead of like doing a few shorter, like a few longer vlogs. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.